Welcome back to the video. It is part 3 of algebraic expression. We have already studied about addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now today we are going to learn about division. How to divide algebraic expression, how to divide monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. So that is the way of solving division is a little bit different than what we used to do in addition, subtraction, multiplication. It's very easy if you understand the concept. So step by step we'll explain how to divide monomial by a monomial. Then in the next part we'll explain how to divide about polynomial by a monomial and so on. The third part will be polynomial by a polynomial. So first two part are very easy. Now dividing a monomial by a monomial, as everyone know that monomial means only one term. So here you can see in example number 1 that there are two terms over here, that one term is over here 36 a raised to 7 divided by minus 12 a raised to 3. So I just wrote in fraction form 36 a raised to 7 my upon minus 12 a raised to 3. So now 12 ones are 12 3 are 36. Now, as per the law of exponent, we know that when the base is same, we'll send the power up. So, when it is in division, so a raised to 7 minus 3, this 3 went up over here. And minus 1 as it is, because minus n is a minus 1 I wrote over here. Now, 3 divided by 1 is, 3 divided by minus 1 is minus 3. And a raised to 7 minus 3 is a raised to 4. The final answer is minus 3 a raised to 4. Example number 2, minus 50 a square b cube minus divided by minus 15 a raised to 4 b square is very easy. Write in fraction form. First cancel both the minus sign. You can see both the minus sign have cancelled over here. Then we know that 5 3 is 15 and 5 10 is 50. So I wrote 10 and 3 over here. As it is, I have kept the remaining part as it is. I'm not changing anything over here. Now what I will do, I will write 10 upon 3. What is left, it is 10 upon the fraction I wrote over here. Now power over here is bigger. The power of b is bigger compared to power of b in denominator. So this 2 will go up. This will become 3 minus 2. And in denominator a raised to 4 power is bigger. Therefore this 2 will come down. Therefore a raised to 4 minus 2. B raised to 3 minus 2 will become b raised to 1, and a raised to 4 minus 2 will become a raised to 2. Therefore I can say that the final answer is 10 b raised to 1 upon 3 a raised to 2. If you don't write 1, then also it is right. No problem for that. Not compulsory to write 1 over there. Please understand, like whenever there is no power, it always considered as 1. Now we are learning about dividing a polynomial by a polynomial by a monomial. So polynomial means what? If there are more than two terms, two or more than two terms are there, that time I can say it is a polynomial. So over here you can see that it is a polynomial over here, that is 9 a raised to 5 minus 6 a raised to 2 divided by 3 a raised to 2. So I wrote 9 a raised to 5 minus 6 a raised to 2 upon 3 a raised to 2. Now it is very easy. Whenever there's in the denominator, whenever it is only one term, that is, it is a monomial, then simply you have to do divide this 3 a raised to 2 in two parts. Keep it with 9 a raised to 5 also, and keep it with 6 a raised to 2 also. You can see over here I have wrote 3 a raised to 2 with 9 a raised to 5 also, and 3 a raised to 2 with 6 a raised to 2 also. Now 3 ones are 3 threes are, and then here 3 ones are 3 twos are. Now this 2 will go up, therefore it will become 3 a raised to 5 minus 2 minus 2 a raised to 2 minus 2. 3 a raised to 3 will come over here because 5 minus 2 is 3 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Therefore it will become 2 a raised to 0. Now we know that key 2 a raised to 0 is always 1. Anything raised to 0 is always 1 as per exponent. Therefore I will write 3 a raised to 3 minus 2. One more way of solving this sum is you can directly cancel this a raised to 2 and a raised to 2. Therefore, you only get 2 over here. Clear? See, different, you can solve by different method. Any method you do is always right until unless you do a silly mistake in that. Now, again, a new example. Divide the given equation with the monomial. You can see that there are three terms that are trinomial. I have to divide this particular trinomial with monomial. So as I told, whenever it is monomial, just divide that monomial in three equal in whatever type of polynomial it is. If it is a trinomial, then divide into three parts. Send this 2xy with 8x square y, 6xy, and then 5xy square. So you can see that I've done the same thing over here. What I did, I wrote 2 ones are 2 fours are. Now here there is x square and here there is x. So x square means what? X into x. So one x will get cancelled. That is 2 and that particular x will get cancelled. There are 2x. X into x. So I have cancelled 1x and 1x from here. Here there is 1y and also there is 1y. Therefore I have cancelled directly. Over here 2 ones are 2 threes are. This x and this x will get cancelled. This y and this y will get cancelled. Next, over here, nothing is able to reduce. 2 5 upon 2 is not divisible by each other. So 2 5 upon 2 let as it is over here. Now, what will happen? X and x will get cancelled. And here 2y because y square means what? Y into y. So if I write y into y over here, and then that from that 2y, I can cancel 1y from numerator and 1y from denominator. Then 1y is still left. Therefore, 5 upon 2 y. The final answer is 4x minus 3 plus 5 upon 2 y. Hope you understood this particular part. Next, okay, there is a little bit confusion over here. Like these type of sums are really not that easy to solve, but I'll try to explain a better way. Hope everyone understand this type of sums. It's easy, but if you just practice again and again, that will make your concept more clear. Try to understand this type of sum is very easy. The way we do a normal division, same what it is similar. So try to understand this type of sum. Now they are asking us to divide a polynomial by a polynomial. So it was a monomial over, then there was no problem. We can solve directly. But if it is a polynomial by a polynomial, then it becomes a little bit tricky and a little bit hard to solve. So method here we follow division method. What I will do, 8x square plus 18xy minus 14y square. I write inside the bracket, inside the division sign, and another polynomial outside the bracket, outside the division sign. Now here it is 8x square. Here it is 8x square. So what we have to do is we have to multiply this first term in such a way. We have to multiply this first term with such a term that I get the same what they are asking over here. Means they are asking for 8x square. Then what I will multiply with 2x, I will get 8x square. So what I will do is I know that if I multiply 2 with 4, 2 with 4, I will get 8. Therefore, I wrote 4 over here. I know that when I multiply x with x, then I will get x square. Therefore, I wrote x over here. So, 2x I multiply with 4x, I will get 8x square. So, 2 into 4 is 8 and x into x is x square. Now, the second term which is there, directly multiply the second term with the term which we have written over here. That is 4 into 3 is 12. Therefore, 12 over here. Here minus into plus, here minus into plus. There is no sign over, therefore we will consider as plus. Minus into plus is minus, therefore minus over here. X into y is xy, therefore xy over here. As simple as that. Now, here there is no sign, therefore we consider plus. Whatever sign is over here, make it opposite of that sign, write it down. So here we consider plus, but since I told we have to write the opposite sign down, therefore write minus over here. Here it is minus, I will write plus over here. Now you can see that we know plus 8x square minus 8x square, that is plus 2 minus 2 is 0. Therefore you cancel this particular part, directly becomes 0. Now plus 18 plus 12. See, plus 18 and plus 12. We have to consider this sign. We have to consider this sign. So plus 18 plus 12. Plus 18 plus 12 is what? Plus 30. Sign of greater number. So plus 30 xy. We know that we don't add this up. In addition, we just add the constant. We don't add the variables. So 30 xy. And minus 45 y square come as it is down. Now, again the same method. What I will multiply it with 2x so that I get 30xy. So we know that when we multiply 2 with 15, I get 30. Therefore, root 15 over here. Now, what I will multiply with x, I will get xy. I will multiply y. So x into y is xy. Now, which sign will come over here? Since we want plus 30xy, you can see that over here we want plus 30xy. There is no sign, therefore we consider it is just plus. Since we want plus 30xy, then I write plus over here because here so there is plus, plus, plus is plus, therefore I get the same parts. You can see same, exactly same. The sign should also be same. Understood? So now 2 into 15 is 30, x into y is xy, 30xy. Now multiply this minus 3y with 15y. So minus plus is minus, 3 into 15 is 45 and y into y is y square. Not necessarily always the second term whatever you get it will be same. Here in this case you are getting same but not necessarily you will get always same. So keep this in mind. Now I'll cancel this minus 45 y square. Okay, first of all here there is plus sign, we consider there is no sign, therefore we consider plus sign. Plus will change to minus and this minus will convert into plus. We have to write opposite sign. Now plus 30, here there is no sign, therefore plus 30xy and minus 30xy becomes 0, therefore we cancel. Minus 45y square and this plus 45y square will also get cancelled, therefore I got 0. Since the remainder we got 0, till that time we have to solve. In some cases, in some example, they might ask you to find the remainder, but in that sums only will get remainder. Apart from that sums, we will never get remainder. Apart from 0, we will never get any other number. So here the final answer is, this is the final answer is 4x plus 15y. So 8x square minus 5y square plus 18xy divided by 2x minus 3y gives us 4x plus 15y. Okay. Next sum. Yeah. So I just told about the sum where they will ask you to find the remainder. So over here, find the quotient and the remainder if any. Find the quotient and the remainder if any when 2x cube minus 8x square plus 5x minus 8 is divided by x minus 2. Clear? Here we have to find the remainder. If we have to find the remainder, nothing else. The methods remain the same. Method does not change, it will remain the same. So what I will do over here, I write the equation over here, that is 2x cube minus 8x square plus 5x minus 8 over here inside and x minus 2 outside. Now what I will do, first we have to find the exact term. So what I will multiply with x, so I get 2x cube. See, there is no constant over here. There is no constant over here. So I will multiply with 2 because we consider, if we consider 1, I will multiply with 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. Therefore 2 over here. Now what I will multiply with x, I will get x cube. I will multiply x square. So x into x square is x cube. So I got 2x cube. That is 2 into x into 2x square is 2x cube. Hope you understood this particular part. It's very easy. Now this 2 I will multiply with 2x square. That is 2 2 is 4. I got 4. X is x square will become as it is because there is no term variable over here. Yeah. Therefore minus 4x square. Why minus 4x square? Here again it is minus and here it is plus. So minus plus is minus. So minus 4x square. Hope you understood this particular part. It's very easy. Again, now there is plus sign. I will convert into minus, opposite sign. There it is minus, I will convert into plus. Again, opposite sign. So this will get cancelled. Here, minus 8 plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. And x square will come as it is. Variable does not change. Variable comes as it is. So minus 4x square. Minus 4x square. Then plus 5x minus 8 as it is. What the remaining part is there, come right as it is below. Nothing to change about that. Okay. Minus 4x square plus 5x minus 8. Okay. Now again my aim is to bring the same minus 4x square. Keep in mind here it is minus 4x square. So what I will do? What I will multiply with x, I will get minus 4x square. So we know that here it is plus. So plus into minus is minus. Therefore it minus over here. So plus minus brings me minus over here. Now what I will multiply with x? I will multiply with x only. So x into x is x square and I will multiply 4 because 4x into x will give me 4x square. And plus minus is minus. So minus 4x square. Yeah, minus 4x square I got. Now 2 into 4x, that is 8x. Therefore 8x. Now minus into minus is what? It is plus 8x. So I don't, it is plus, minus minus is plus, therefore plus over here. Clear? So plus 8x. Now this particular part will get cancelled. Why? Because minus changes to plus and plus changes to minus. Since minus plus is 0, therefore cancel over here. And now plus 5x minus 8x. But again I am saying we have to consider this sign. So plus 5x minus 8x is minus 3x, son of greater number. So minus 3x over here. And minus 8 will come as it is. Now what I will multiply with x, I get 3x. So I will multiply with 3. So x into 3 is 3x. Now again I want minus 3x over here. Therefore it minus because here it is plus. So plus minus is minus. You have to consider this sign. sign before the x. So plus minus is minus, therefore minus of minus 3x. Now minus minus plus, therefore plus over here. And 2 into 3 is 6, therefore 6. Now again minus will change to plus and plus will change to minus. This will get cancelled, this part will get cancelled. And minus 8 minus 6, minus 8 minus 6 will become minus 14. So root minus 14 as the remainder. You can't solve it further. There's nothing to solve over here. So that is my final answer. That is the remainder. Keep this in mind. It's very easy to solve. This is my quotient. This is my dividend. This is my divisor. Hope everyone understood this particular part. It's very easy. Just do with proper care. Now, as they were asking the further part of the question that they are asking us to find the quotient and the remainder. That's what we have found. Quotient is this and the remainder is minus 14. You can see the answer over here. Now, you can always verify division. For example, if I say when I divide 2, when I divide 14 divided by 2, so my answer is 7. So we know that when we multiply 7 with the divisor, when we multiply 7 with a divisor, understood? So I will always get the dividend part. For example, if I multiply this particular quotient, if I multiply this particular quotient with a divisor over here, then I will get this particular answer. That is the verification of the sum what we have solved. It's always better to verify rather than losing the marks. So over here, we know that dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Since remainder is there over here, therefore to add. If remainder is not there, then we don't add, then it's okay. For example, 14 divided by 2 is 7. So remainder figure is 0 over there. Directly if I multiply the quotient with the divisor, 2 into 7, I will get 14. So when it is, I will just try to help you out in finding the verification of one particular part. So quotient is into divisor plus remainder. Quotient is what? 2x square minus 4x minus 3 and divisor is x minus 2 and plus bracket में minus 14. Why I wrote minus 14 in bracket? Because there is, we cannot write plus and minus together. So we have to write in bracket over there. Now, as we have learned about multiplication in the previous video, we can check the previous video if you're not able to understand this type of sum, this type of method. So what we have to do is, then there is this binomial and there is trinomial. So this binomial, that is first term of binomial, that is x, will multiply with the whole particular part and minus 2 will multiply with this particular part again. So you can see that x bracket 2x square minus 4x minus 3 and minus 2 2x square minus 4x minus 3 in bracket and plus minus is minus, therefore minus 14 over here. Now 2 into 2x square into x is 2x cube, x into minus 4x is minus 4x square, x into 3 is minus 3x, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4x square, minus minus is plus, therefore 4 to the is 8, therefore 8x, minus minus plus, therefore plus 2 to the is 6, therefore 6. Now bring all the like terms together if it is there. So here I can see there are two like terms over here. No, x square and x has like terms over here. So 2x cube, there is no like term, there is no like term of x cube, therefore root 2x cube alone. Then minus 4x square minus 4x square I wrote together. Minus 3x plus 8x I wrote over here. And plus 6 minus 14 I wrote over here. Now 2x cube will come as it is. Minus 4 is minus 8. Minus 3 plus 8 is plus 5. 5x minus 8 because over here plus 6 minus 14 is minus 8. Therefore the final answer is this. So you can check, you can verify. Okay, whatever dividend they have given to us, that is 2x cube minus 8x square plus 5x minus 8. I got the same answer over here. Therefore I can say my division is right. If I get something wrong over here, there are two possibilities that either you've done the mistake in verification or either you've done the mistake in finding the quotient. Understood? Remainder or the quotient, whatever you are getting from here in that type of sum, in that division you've done a mistake. So carefully you have to do both the means. In the exam they always ask to verify. So always keep this in mind. If they don't ask, you should have a responsibility that you should not lose mark in this type of easy sums. So always verify before giving the paper. Now divide minus 14x cube y raised to 3 minus 21x raised to 4 y raised to 5 plus 7x raised to 5 y raised to 4 by the given term, that is 7x square y square. Now many students get confused after teaching this type, the earlier type of sum. What day to day start applying that method. But no, always before solving you have to read the question properly. Here they have given us polynomial by monomial. You can say there is monomial over here, only one term. So it's very easy. The way we did earlier is the same way we have to do. What I will do, I will divide this monomial to all the three terms. The minus 14x x cube y cube I will write upon x 7x square y square and minus 21 x raised to 4 y raised to 5 upon 7x square y square. You can see over here. and then the third term will be as it is. Now 7 ones are 7 twos are, so minus 2 I will get over here. X raised to 6 upon x raised to 2, so x raised to 6 minus 2. Y raised to 3 upon y raised to 2, y raised to 3 minus 2. And here I will do the same thing. 7 ones are 7 threes are, x raised to 4 minus 2, y raised to 5 minus 2. 7 7 get cancelled, x raised to 5 minus 2, y raised to 4 minus 2. Now you can do one by one more method. See, always not necessary you have to apply the exponent property. If you are having a habit of finding the answer directly, you can directly find the answer. For example, we know that here y raised to 3 and y raised to 2, will the remainder will like only one y will be left because 3y, y into y. So 3y are up and 2y's are down. So 2y will get cancelled and 1y will be left over. If I can I can directly write this answer, particular step. If you don't want to solve this particular step, that is okay, completely okay. Here also 6 and 2. We know that there will be x raised to 4 will be left. Therefore, wrote x raised to 4 directly over here. So now you can see this type of sums are very easy to solve. You just keep on practicing again and again. So this is my final answer. Minus 2 x raised to 4 y raised to 1 minus 3 x square y square plus x cube y square. Hope you have understood this type of sum. It's very easy to solve this type of sum. Next. Okay, one more sum of solving polynomial by a polynomial. Hope you understand this type of sum. I request you if before listening to the question, you can before listening to the solution, you can just try on your own and you can compare whether the answer is right or wrong. So divide 6x cube minus 13x square minus 13x plus 30 by 2x square minus x minus 6. Hope you have understood this type of sum. So over here, what you can do is 2x square minus x minus 6 will come outside and 6x cube minus 13x square minus 13x plus 30 will come outside. So what I will do, 2 into 3 is, okay, I will just try to bring the first term as it is. So what I will multiply with 2, I will get 6, that is I will multiply 3. So 3 into 2 is 6. What I will multiply with x square, I will get x cube. So x in, square into x is x cube. Understood? So over here, 3x will come over here, 3 2 is 6 and 6x cube. Right? Hope you understood this particular part. Now minus x minus 3 minus x into 3x, so 3x square minus 3x into minus x is minus 3x square. You can see minus 3x square I've written over here. Then minus 6 into 3x is minus 18x, because 3 6 is 18 and x will come as it is, because there is no term of x, therefore written x as it is over here. Now change the sign. Here it is plus, here at minus, minus will become plus and minus will become plus. This will get cancelled. Minus 13 plus 3, minus 13 plus 3 is minus 10. Minus 13 plus 3 is minus 10. So I wrote minus 10x square. Then over here, minus 13 plus 18. Minus 13 plus 18 is plus 5x. Minus 13 plus 18 is plus 5x. There is not, it is not properly visible, but I am saying that it is plus 5x. Now plus 30 will come as it is. Now what I will multiply with, what I will multiply with, what I will multiply with minus 10x square. Sorry, what do I multiply with 2? So I get minus 10x square. So here 2 5 is 10. 2 5 is 10. So I wrote 5 over here. And x square will come as it is because I wanted x square. So directly got x square. So plus minus is minus, minus 10x square. Also why I wrote minus over here, because I wanted minus 10x square. Minus मुझको चाहिए था. Therefore I wrote minus over here, because it was plus over here. The plus minus will give me minus 10x square. Hope you understood this particular part till you. Next I'll multiply x with 5. So x into 5 is 5x. Therefore plus 5x, because minus minus will become plus. Therefore plus 5x. Minus 6 into minus 5. So minus minus is plus. 6 into 5 is 30. Therefore 30 over here. Now I'll change the sign. Minus will change to plus, plus will change to minus, and plus will change to minus. So minus 10x square minus plus 10x square will get cancelled, and plus 5x minus 5x will get cancelled. Plus 30 minus 30 will cancel, and the remainder will be 0. The final answer is, when we divide this particular algebraic expression with this particular algebraic expression what they've given to us, then my final answer will be 3x minus 5. Hope you understood this sum. It's very easy to solve this type of sum. Just have to keep on practicing again and again. Now this is one of the trickiest sum in the question. This sum is very tricky. If you understand this type of sum, you can try on solving on your own. Then you can solve any type of division sum. It's very easy. Okay. Now divide 16 plus 8x plus x 6 x raised to 6 minus 8x cube minus 2x raised to 4 plus x square by x plus 4 minus x cube. The only difference in this, the sum is very big, but the only difference is that we first have to rearrange before solving directly. We have to rearrange the terms. Why rearranging? Because we always write the highest power first, and then we write the smallest power. Therefore, here the highest power. If I see highest power, I'm not saying degree. You have to find the highest power. Highest power is x raised to 6. So I wrote x raised to 6 over here. Now after 6, we know that 5 comes. Therefore, I wrote 0 x raised to 5. Understood? Because 0 into x raised to 5 will give us 0. So if I'm writing, if I'm not writing, does not matter. Now, then comes 2x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4 minus 8x cube plus x square plus 8x plus 16 divided by, here also, here minus x cube as bigger term, bigger power. Well, minus x cube I wrote first plus 0x square plus x plus 4. Hope you understood this step of sum. It's very easy. You have to just rearrange the term. Now, okay, is I just explain division more carefully. Now, see, they have given us, we have written the whole equation what we have wrote earlier. This whole equation I've written as it is over here, copied as it is over here, and this whole equation I copied over here. It's very easy. Next, now what I will do, I want x raised to 6. I want x raised to 6. But before I finding x raised to 6, keep in mind that here there is minus sign and we want plus x raised to 6. Whatever the term is there over, exactly the same way I want. So minus x raised to 3 into minus x raised to 3. This minus minus is plus. Minus minus is plus. So I will get plus over here. Let's show why I wrote minus over here, because I want plus x raised to 6. So minus minus is plus. Therefore plus over here. X raised to 3 into x raised to 3 gives me x raised to 6. I'm multiplying over here. Then what I will do, x, see, here there is no use of multiplying, because here 0x square into 0x square into minus x cube will give me 0x5, and again we can cancel only. So I'm not writing that particular term. Now next, if you don't write this 0x square over here, 0x raised to 5 over here, 5 over here is completely okay, does not matter. Now x into minus x cube plus x into minus x cube gives me minus 2x raised to 3 minus x raised to 4 plus 4 into minus x cube gives me minus 8 minus 4x cube plus 4 minus into minus x cube gives me minus 4x cube plus will change to minus will change to plus, and minus will change to plus. This bigger part will get cancelled. We have minus 2 plus 1. You can see there is nothing, so we consider 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Therefore, minus x is to 4. And minus 8 plus 4. So minus 4 will get, because minus 8 plus 4 is 4, and some greater number is minus. Therefore, minus 4x cube over here. And the remaining part plus x square plus 8x plus 16 as it is over here. Now, the little bit trick over here. Now, what is it? There is something change. You have to always keep an eye open when you are solving this type of sum. See, I want x raised to 4. So what I will multiply with x cube? I will get x raised to 4. Yeah, I will multiply x. So if I multiply x, so I will get x raised to 4. So minus plus. So I have written plus over here because I wanted minus. Here I wanted plus, therefore minus, because minus minus give me plus. If I write minus over here, so minus minus will give me plus, but I don't want plus over here, I want minus. So I wrote plus over here. So minus plus is minus. Now x cube into x is x raised to 4. So minus x raised to 4. Next, this term is gone. Plus x into plus x gives me plus x square. So you can see that this particular term x cube I'm not getting. No worry, I'm not getting, skip that particular part. So I get plus x square over here. Next, 4 into x is 4x, therefore plus 4x. Now minus will change to plus, plus will change to minus, and plus will change to minus. So this particular two terms will get cancelled. And now the remaining term, that is minus 4x cube I wrote down, 8x I wrote down, sorry, 8 minus 4 I wrote 4x, and 16 I wrote down as it is. Now what I will multiply with x cube, I will get, what I will multiply with minus x cube, I will get minus 4x cube. So I will multiply with 4. So minus x into plus 4 is minus 4x cube. So I go minus 4x cube. Plus x into plus 4. So plus 4x. Plus 4 into plus 4 is plus 16. Now minus will change to plus will change to minus, plus will change to minus. Then all the terms will get cancelled, one answer will be 0. Therefore the quotient is minus x cube plus x plus 4. You can see over here, minus x cube plus x plus 4. Hope you have understood this above difficult sum. Next. Okay. This is very easy. Last topic of the chapter, simplification. Simplification, we all know that simplification is about solving, applying BODMAS and solving the bracket in some order. So we know that always you have to solve bar bracket, then the round bracket, or you can say parenthesis, then the curly bracket, and then the square bracket. These orders are solving from top to bottom. You can see the arrow over here. Next, simplify. They've given us the question. Question is very big. You are not reading the question. You can just read this question and then listen to the video. You can pause the video for 2 minutes or 10 seconds to 15 seconds, and then you can just read this, listen to the solution. What I'm saying. It's very easy. See, here there's a bar bracket. You can see there's a bar over here. Bar and is a bar bracket given over here. Now we know that we can only add or subtract when there are like terms. Since here it is 9 and it is 5x, I can't do anything. 9 minus 5 cannot be written as minus 4x, because here if there is x then I can write, but it is 9 minus 5, I can't do anything. Now what I will do, ब्रैकेट के अंदर ब्रैकेट के नीचे जो भी साइन है, whatever sign is below the bracket, it is this particular minus. Below the bracket means this particular minus, change the sign to opposite. If it is minus, write plus. If it is plus, write minus. You can see that minus, I wrote plus over here and remove the bar bracket. So one bar bracket is solved. Now second we have to solve round bracket. So here there is a round bracket from here to here. Can I solve something? Yeah, I can solve something over here. 8 minus 9 I can solve as minus 1, therefore minus 1 over here, and plus 5x as it is. This is minus 1 plus 5x. Now I'm not changing the other part. You can see the other part of the question I'm not changing at all. Now what I will do, you can see I am not open the round bracket still, because the reason we are not open the round bracket, because there is 3 over here, which is multiplication. Because as we know, when there is no sign between the number and the bracket, always we consider as multiplication over here. So 3 will multiply is minus 1, that is minus 3, plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, plus into plus is plus, and 3 into 15, 3 into 5 is 15x. So 15x, and I remove the round bracket from there. Now next is curly bracket. I will solve the curly bracket now. So can I solve something? Yeah, I can solve minus 17x plus 15x. That is minus 2x and minus 3 as it is. Again, there is 4 in multiplication. Therefore, 4 into minus 2x is plus 8x, because minus into minus is plus, and 4 into 2 is 8x. Again, minus into minus is plus, therefore plus, and 4 into 3 is 12, therefore 12 over here. Now I will solve the square bracket, but before solving, yeah, I will solve the square bracket over here. Minus 11x plus 8x. Minus 11x plus 8x is minus 3x, and then minus, okay, minus 3x, and this plus 12 will come as it is over here. And again 7 is in multiplication, so 7 into minus 3x is plus 21, because minus is there over here. Don't forget about this minus sign over here, and over here. This many shouldn't do a mistake in that. Keep this in mind. So minus 7 into minus 3x is plus 21x, minus plus is minus, 7 into 12 is 84. So minus 84. Now solve again. 84 minus 84 is 0, and plus 21x is the my final answer. Hope you've understood. Next, there are some basic sums which are related to exponents. So I hope you understood this type of sum. This sum looks very similar. Both these sums look very similar, but there are a lot of difference between that. I will explain what is the difference between that. Here x raised to 5 divided by x raised to 7 into x raised to 4, and here x raised to 5 into x raised to 7 divided by x raised to 4. So you can see that your division sign is between x raised to 5 and x raised to 7, and your division sign is between x raised to 7 and x raised to 4. So the rule changes. So first we know, as per Bormas, we have to solve division first. Therefore this division form in fraction form. This division is wrote in fraction form. Therefore x raised to 5 upon x raised to 7 into x raised to 4. Now, okay. Now what I will do, since the base is same, I will add the powers. Then 5 plus 4 is 9. Therefore x raised to 9 upon x raised to 7. This 7 will go up. Therefore x raised to 9 minus 7. Therefore I have final answer is x raised to 2. Now over here, you have to take division. So I wrote this division over here. So x raised to 5 into x raised to 7 upon x raised to 5 plus 7 is 12. Therefore x raised to 12 upon x raised to 4. Now x raised to 12 minus 4 is x raised to 8. Hope you understand. Hope you understood this type of sum. You might have a doubt, sir, why I'm not solving the division first over here. Doesn't matter, chalta hai. You can, because as the power, as we say, one more there is, apart from board mass, there is one more rule, paired mass. There is PEDMAS. DMAS is similar, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. But paired mass may first comes the power P. Understood? So power, if I'm solving the power first, then I'm solving the division part. So it's one and the same thing. You can solve by solving division first. That is x raised to 7 upon x raised to 4. So 7 minus 4 becomes 3. So x raised to 3. X raised to 3 will come in numerator. And x raised to 5. X raised to 5 into x raised to 3 will become x raised to 8. You can see I'm getting the same answer. You can go by any of the method. Both are right. Okay, next one. 5y into 6y divided by 3 plus curly bracket. You can see the question over here. Again, I cannot solve anything over here. 2y minus 4 cannot be solved. Therefore, I'll just change the sign of minus to plus. You can see 2y plus 4. Outside the bracket, it will keep as it is. Whatever sign it is, I will keep as it is over here. Next, 3y minus 2y is 1y and plus 4 will come as it is. Since there is minus sign, therefore not opening the bracket. Now I will open the bracket in the next step. Next step. So minus plus minus, therefore minus 1y. Minus plus minus, therefore minus 4. Now I will solve the curly bracket. So 4 minus 1 by minus 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Minus 1 by is left. So plus minus is minus. Therefore minus y. You can think, so y is 1. 1y or y is 1 the same thing. So minus 1 minus y wrote over here. Now I will solve the square bracket. 6y divided by 3 minus y. So 6y divided by 3. So I will solve this particular part first as per division or as per board mass. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Therefore 2y minus y get. You can see 2y minus y over here. Now 2y minus y is what? 1y. Therefore 1y. So 1y over here. Now 5y into 1y is 5y square. So 5 ones are 5. Y into y is y square. Hope you understood this. Sum is very easy. Next. Minus 3, they've given the question 1 minus x square minus 2, x square minus whatever the sum is. First, I will solve the bracket first. So, I will see that I can solve this bracket. No, I can't solve this bracket. Even I can't solve this bracket over here. So, what I did, I opened the bracket directly. Because there is no bar bracket, I don't have to change any sign over here. I just open the bracket. So, minus 3, become minus into 3 is minus 3. Minus into minus 2x square. Minus minus becomes plus and plus 2x square. Now x square minus 3 plus 2x square. Here I keep as it is. Now I multiply in the next step. I multiply this particular part. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Minus minus plus 3x square minus 2. X square plus 2x square is 3x square minus 3 as it is. Now minus 3 plus 3x square as it is. This 2 will multiply inside. It is 2 into 3 is 6. Minus plus is minus, therefore minus 6x square. And minus minus is plus, and 2 into 3 is 6, therefore plus 6. Now minus 3 plus 6. Minus 3 plus 6 is plus 3, son of hidden number. And plus 3x square minus 6x square is minus 3x square, because son of hidden number again. This is my final answer. Now the same type of sum what we have done earlier. This bracket will change into minus, will change into plus. So I can't solve. Then I will open the bracket, minus x plus y minus x minus y. Then I will just solve if possible over here. I can solve many things over here. I brought first the like terms together, and like all the like terms together. I brought x minus x minus x minus y plus y. So x minus x is x. Sorry, 0, and 0 minus x is minus x. Minus y is minus 2y. Minus 2y plus y is minus y. Therefore minus y over here. Now again I will open the bracket because minus sign is there over, therefore sign will change. Minus into minus is plus, and minus into minus is plus. So x minus y plus x plus y. So minus y plus y will get cancelled, and x plus x will become 2x. Next, you can try this solving on your own. If you have doubt, you can just let me know. It's the same type same type of sum what we have done earlier. So I'm skipping this sum over here. Next, x raised to 5 divided by x square into y raised to 2 into y raised to 3. Okay. So over here, first division I will solve. But first I will solve bracket. Bracket division is for division I will solve. X raised to 5 upon x raised to 2 into y square into y cube. Now x raised to 5 minus 2 is x raised to 3. y square y cube. Now 2 plus 3 becomes y, therefore x raised to 3, y raised to 5 is the final answer. Hope you understood. Okay, one of the important sum is very tricky, is very important in terms of solving. So please concentrate and learn and understand it properly. It's very easy but little bit complicated it is. I'll explain why. See, y is to 3 minus 5y square. It is in whole bracket divided by y into, again there's a bracket y minus 1. Okay. So whenever there's a bracket, keep this in mind. Whenever there's a bracket, this division y, the divided by y, is not only for minus 5y square. Since it's a bracket, it is for both. Keep this in mind. It is for both. So I wrote y raised to 3 minus 5y square upon y into y minus 1 as it is. Now we have done, it is a polynomial divided by monomial. So this monomial will go with y raised to 3 and this monomial will also go with minus 5y square. You can see over here. So y raised to 3 upon y minus 5y square upon y into y minus 1. So y square will I will get the answer, and minus 5y I will get as the answer into y minus 1. Again there is a bracket over. You can put bracket over here if you want to avoid solving by solving confusion. So I put a bracket over here. It doesn't matter. You can put bracket over here also, here also. In both these steps you can put. If you don't put, then also it is okay, because here already we have put a bracket. So y square minus 5y into y minus 1. Now we'll multiply. So y will multiply with y square minus 5y. Okay, y square will multiply with y minus 1 and minus 5y will multiply with y minus 1. So y square into y is y cube and y square into minus 1 is minus y square. Minus 5y into y is minus 5y square. Minus minus is plus, 5y into 1 is plus 5y. Hope you understood. Then y cube minus 6y square, because minus y minus 5y is minus 6y square and plus 5y as it is over here. Good, great. So this is the last sum of the chapter. This sum is not that easy, it is also difficult. It is one of the biggest sum in the whole chapter. One whole page, one whole page sum it is. I'll explain everything by step by step. It's one of the important sum again. These last both sum were important. Hope you understood clearly. Okay. You can see the question over here. In I can say that you are not able to see this part clearly. So it is minus x round bracket curly bracket. Again I will repeat, round bracket 3x square minus x round bracket and then curly bracket. Okay. Now we know that as per the, we'll solve the round bracket first. So here is round bracket and here also has round bracket. So both these round bracket I will solve first. Simultaneously I will solve, doesn't matter. So solving one by one, it will be long sum. It can go for at least 2 pages. So you can solve simultaneously at the same time. You can solve both the brackets together. Therefore, I wrote 5x upon 10x upon 10. I wrote 3x square upon x. Here 5 ones are 5 twos are, so x upon 2. Here x and here x square, one x will get cancelled, therefore 3x. Hope you have understood. Then both the round bracket will get removed and then only curly brackets are there. So now curly bracket over. Now I'm not repeating the whole question, just explaining what and what where I've done the changes. Now x square divided by x upon 2. We know that when there is a division, we always convert it to multiplication by taking reciprocal. So x square into 2 upon x. Over here also, over here I wrote 2 minus x cube divided by 3x. That is x cube upon 3x. Here I converted to reciprocal. I do reciprocal because there was a fraction over here. There is no fraction over here. So it doesn't matter. You have to just write in the normal fraction form. Now 2 into x square become 2x square and upon x will be as it is. Here also x cube upon 3x I wrote as it is. Then I cancel x over here and 1x from here. When I cancel 1x, then 2x will be left. Therefore 2x square over here. So x square upon 3 will come over here. And over here 1x and 1 more x will get cancelled. Therefore only 1x is left. It is 2x over here. Okay. Now I'll solve the curly bracket because the other bracket is left. Therefore, I'll solve the curly bracket now. So 4 into 2 is 8, 8x, and minus 3 into, okay, yeah, but change in the question. Okay, you can solve this sum by two methods. So I'll explain one of the method what I have solved over here. I took the LCM over here because I know that directly I can't multiply. Directly I can't solve this, but I have to open the bracket. I have to first solve the LCM. But I explain one more trick after this, how to solve directly. Okay, so over here LCM is 3, so 1 into 3 and 2 into 3 minus x square into 1 upon 3 into 1. So 3 to is 6 minus x square upon 3. Okay. Now I will multiply. So I multiply 3 into 6 minus x square upon 3. This 3 and this 3 will get cancelled over here. Now I have kept as it is all the part as it is over here. Though I can add over here, but I have just added the last. So minus 6 will become minus 6, minus minus will become plus x square. So minus minus becomes plus, therefore plus x square. Now 7 plus 80, 7 plus 8 is 15x, minus 6 plus x square. Hope you have understood. I'll explain from here one by one more step, from one more method. What you can do is directly multiply inside, multiply this 3 inside. So minus 3 into 2 is become minus 6. Keep in mind minus 6. Okay. So minus 3 into 2 will become minus 6. So minus 6 over here. And minus minus will become plus. And 3 into x square upon 3 will become 3x square upon 3. And then that 3 and that 3 will get cancelled. Understood? So it will become 6 minus x square. So what I got? 6 minus x square. You can avoid these 3 steps. In one step you will get the answer. That is 6 minus x square. Now open the bracket and then solve the same what we have done earlier over here. I hope you have understood. If you want, I will explain more in detail when there is a video lecture. Hope you have understood till here. This was the final sum of the chapter. Hope you understood all the concept more clearly, more in a better way. If any doubt you are not able to solve in basic sum, you can just let me know. Whenever you want, you can ping me up for that. Try looking at the video again and again, especially for division and the simplification part, because that are not easy sums. You have to practice it more, so it becomes more better. Clear? Now you can off this video, and then you can solve more and more sums possible. So done for the day. Thank you.